Hi guys, happy Friday and I hope you are doing great. So today I will be sharing with you a motivational workout video. Actually, when I recorded this, it was leg day, and if you're a workout enthusiast, you know what I'm talking about. Although I didn't film all the exercises that I did because I was there for only 2 hours. I'll just be sharing with you the various exercises that I normally tackle when at the gym, at the lower body that is. Towards the end of the video, I will be sharing with you what we had for dinner that day. So basically today's video is my workout routine and a cook with me. I try as much as I can to go to the gym 5 days in a week, that is Monday to Friday, and each day has a designated workout. I'm actually glad that I get the motivation that I need from my partner because he's a workout lover. He pushes me so much to do it and I love every bit of it.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though.
So guys, this is actually the last workout that I did before I left the gym. I also did some stretches, although I didn't get to record them. I hope this motivates you in one way or the other, because no matter the situation, we need to take care of our bodies. And what's a better way of doing that than regular exercising, right?
Good in my head when I'm lost.
So guys, for our dinner, I made white rice with chicken stew and some veggies, that is broccoli and cauliflower. It was a quick one and actually all that I needed that day. I will first of all start by preparing all the ingredients that I will use so that at least I spend the shortest time possible cooking the meal. So guys, this is all that I will use in making the dish. For the chicken, I will use chopped onions, grated tomatoes, some garlic and ginger paste, and of course dhania. I will also use Royco mix, although I will add that a little bit later. I also have some broccoli and cauliflower, which I will boil for 2 minutes, then shallow fry them for 3 minutes. So guys, at this point I am done and everything is ready. What's left is just to serve and enjoy the meal. I do hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Thank you so much for joining me and for watching. Have a great weekend.